Hello. This is midnight, and now I am going to talk about my. No, don't afraid, please. Now I am not going to talk about my name, address, institution, etc., etc. Because in every video, this is very awkward. This is very awkward, and I also think that in every video, giving address, name, this is boring. So now I'm going to talk about my an interesting character in myself. That if some people or if any people ask me about my name, about if any people tell me to talk about myself with a summary or within 5 sentences or 10 sentences, I never tell them about my name, study, institution, address, blood group. I just I talk I tell that my favorite pastime, my favorite color, and what I like most in food. I tell about my favorite movie that I love to watch most of the time. So because I think that only address, name, institution, blood group, those are not my identity. Okay, those are not my identity only. I think that what I like to do, what is my favorite, who is my favorite writer, what is my favorite color, what I like to do most of the time, what is my favorite social media app. So I think that those are also important, and those are very important for me when I introduce with myself to with others. So at that time people think that maybe I am awkward, or maybe I am uncommon, or maybe they think that this girl is not perfect, and or maybe they think at the time when I give that kind of reply, some people think that this girl is over smart. But no, if they think that that kind of thing, I don't care about that. I talk, I give reply, but I give reply like that. When I once a day I went to an interview for a job. So when I enter the room, yes sir, first I taken permission to all the sirs in interview room that may I come in. So and also I taken permission that can I have a seat. Then yes, I like to. I know that I am very well mannered girl. So when I took my seat, then sir they asked a lot of questions, and most of the answers I couldn't give to them because I'm not very brilliant. It's true. And at the time I was zero in basic knowledge. Now at present I am not 100% in basic knowledge, but at the time I was zero. I had zero skill and basic knowledge, because that time I was not in DSP group. So okay, leave it and come in the main point. That at time, after few minutes, the sir also a sir asked me in interview room that please talk about Naimatul Jannat. Please tell about yourself with a summary, and you will get a few minutes for introduce with yourself. Introduce with yourself. So I didn't talk. I didn't tell my name. I didn't tell my about my institution. I didn't tell my family members, blood group, etc., etc. I talked that I love to. I'm foodie. I love to eat biryani, Coca-Cola. I love to read a novel of my favorite writer, Humayun Ahmed. I love to. My favorite pastime is reading storybook, novel, and I'm dependent on internet. My favorite color is red, pink, blue, and so I talk that at the time, sir was shocked for my reply that what the girl is talking about. That I asked her to talk about herself, but she is answering like this. So, but yes, they thought they took it like they took it positively. Okay, so I think that this is not awkward thing. We if we are well mannered, we should act like that what we are. We never should act I can't act with anyone. I like to express myself however I am, whoever I am. So thank you so much. I won't take a lot of time. I think that most of the time, most of the people in the DSP group are giving time to themselves for study. So many people have children. They are practicing here. They are very dedicated. They are also very dedicated. So many women or so many sisters or aunties, they can't get sleep for at least 4 hours. They are very hardworking, and so many sisters are entrepreneurs, and they are very hardworking because they have interest on study also. So they give time in this big group for make their basic skill strong in English or Bangla language. And because Bangla and English, both of language are important for us. English is an international language, and Bangla is our love. Bangla is our mother tongue. Bangla language is our love, our emotion, and English is our strength. English language is our strength, and I want to learn English. I want to perfect in English. This is my dream. This is my first dream. So pray for me as if I can fluent in English. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.